Have you ever heard of the age-old saying, when you have money in the bank, it will increase? Well, believe it or not, money begets more wealth. That is because, my friends, of the law of attraction at play. Why do some people easily get their hands on abundant wealth, while some people earn simply to pay the bills? Watch until the end of the video to learn how to attract money by drawing your desired future. Here at Better World Zone, our best thoughts and our best actions build our best world. Subscribe now to be part of the best world. Today, we're delving into the topic of how to attract money using the powerful principle of the law of attraction. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just a fancy way of saying wishful thinking? Well, not quite. The law of attraction isn't about passive daydreaming. It's about harnessing the incredible power of your mind to actively shape your reality. It's like unlocking a hidden superpower within you, one that can attract abundance, not just of money, but of joy, fulfillment, and all the good things life has to offer. What is the law of attraction? Imagine the universe as a giant cosmic magnet. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions are like tiny metal filings, drawn towards experiences that resonate with their energy. So, if you focus on scarcity and lack, guess what? You'll attract more of the same. But if you cultivate a mindset of abundance, possibility, and gratitude, watch out, universe. You're about to receive a downpour of blessings. Attracting money beyond wishing wells. Now, attracting money with the law of attraction isn't about sitting on your sofa, visualizing stacks of cash, and hoping they'll magically materialize. It's about taking inspired action, aligning your energy with your desires, and letting the universe orchestrate the rest. Here is a practical step you can take: drawing your desired future. Today, we're diving into a secret superpower that's hiding in plain sight: the power of visualization. No capes or fancy suits required, just your amazing brain and a little imagination. Now you might be thinking, isn't that just daydreaming? Well, not quite. It's like having your own personal movie studio inside your head, where you get to write, direct, and star in the future you desire. What is visualization? Imagine closing your eyes and painting a picture with your mind. Not just any picture, but a masterpiece of your future. That promotion you've been dreaming of, aced presentation, or even that picture-perfect beach vacation. That's visualization, bringing your desires to life in the vibrant canvas of your imagination. Why visualize? Forget incense and chanting. Visualization has been studied by psychologists for decades. It's not some mystical mumbo-jumbo, it's science. Think Olympians visualizing their perfect run or CEOs picturing their next big deal. They're all tapping into the power of their minds to create their reality. So how does this magic work? It's all about painting a vivid picture in your mind, using all 5 senses. See yourself achieving that goal, feel the joy of victory, smell the fresh air of a new beginning, taste the sweetness of success. This immersive experience tells your subconscious, this is what we're aiming for. Why is it so powerful? Our brains are like incredible computers, constantly processing information and influencing our actions. Visualization hacks this system, flooding it with vivid images, sounds, smells, and even emotions as if you're already living your dream. This primes your subconscious, whispering to it, "Hey, this is possible, let's go!" We will use the magical tool of vision boards, but forget dusty old corkboards and cheesy affirmations. This is a treasure hunt for abundance, with a twist. 2 boards is twice the magic. Most people think 1 vision board is enough. But to truly unlock the vault of your dreams, we need 2 keys: the past and the future. We're building a symphony of abundance here, and it starts with a powerful harmony: gratitude. Because before you attract the future you crave, you need to celebrate the present you've built. Think of it as polishing the silver lining of your life, so it shines bright enough to attract even more sparkle. Fill this board with the treasures of your past. Proud moments, Diplomas, certificates, awards, anything that makes your heart sing with, "I did that." Loved ones. Family photos, children's drawings, silly pet snaps, they're your sunshine on a cloudy day. Conquered challenges. Pictures of a recovered pet, a completed project, a sparkling clean kitchen. You've battled dragons and emerged victorious. Tiny joys. Thank you notes, recommendation letters, silly postcards. They're the confetti of your everyday happiness. Second step. Think of your vision boards as two dazzling portals to your future, and they need a home. If you're a homebody, let them adorn your workspace, a constant reminder of your dreams while you conquer emails. Or if you're a kitchen magician, stick them on cabinet doors, whispering prosperity as you whip up deliciousness. Not in a traditional office? No worries. Two lightweight scrapbooks become your portable treasure trove, ready to be peeked at during coffee breaks or lunch walks. Remember, it's all about surrounding yourself with the energy of abundance. Third step. Now, for the fun part, stocking your creative pantry. Magazines are our first stop, colorful feasts for the eyes. Don't be shy, ask friends, raid waiting rooms, embrace the freebies. Go online, wander through digital wonderlands of luxury travel or dream homes, and print your favorites. And remember, words have power too. Sprinkle in some money affirmations, quotes that flip your money mindset upside down, and watch your vision board sizzle with potent energy. Fourth step. We've cleared the space, gathered our magical ingredients, and now it's time to paint the future. But before we unleash the inner artist, let's take a moment to appreciate the masterpiece already in progress. Soak in the sunshine of your past successes. Look at that board, at the incredible things you've already achieved, the love you hold, the abundance you've cultivated. Feel the warmth of gratitude wash over you. This isn't just about bragging. It's about acknowledging your own power, resilience, and the fact that you are already worthy of prosperity. This is the foundation, the rich soil from which your future dreams will blossom. Now, let's turn the page to board number 2. This is where your future masterpiece comes alive. What does financial freedom look like for you? Do crystal clear images dance in your mind? Maybe it's first-class cabins soaring through clouds, or luxurious hotel suites with breathtaking views. Perhaps you yearn for the freedom to explore any landscape, be it a sun-drenched beach or a majestic mountain peak. Don't limit yourself, beautiful soul. This board is your playground of possibility, so paint it with all the vibrant colors of your desires. Remember that pesky credit card debt? Let's give it the boot. Take a copy of your latest statement, but instead of feeling burdened by the numbers, imagine a white wave washing over them, erasing the debt until only a beautiful 0.00 inches remains. That's the power of visualization, whispering, "You are free, you are abundant." Finally, let's sign your future into existence with your dream check. Find a blank check, online or in your wallet, and fill it in with your name and the amount that represents your wildest dreams. Write your desired amount with faith, with the unwavering belief that you deserve every ounce of prosperity. Embrace light and the energy of abundance and release any fears. Set a date for this dream to manifest, stick that check on your board, and watch it become a beacon of prosperity. This is the magic of vision boards. It's about igniting your desires, fueling them with gratitude, and letting the universe dance to the rhythm of your dreams. Treat it with love, revisit it often, and let it guide you on your path to abundance. Your vision board is a tool, a map to your dreams. With every image, every affirmation, you paint a brighter future, one brushstroke at a time. And for the fifth and final step. For our vision board bonanza, we're painting our futures in vibrant hues. Today, we're adding the finishing touches to your wealth-attracting masterpiece. And guess what? It's going to be a blast. Spice up your vision and sprinkle on the joy. Forget boring beige. This isn't your grandma's scrapbooking project. Think sparkly stickers, silly doodles from your notebook, quotes that make your soul sing. Your board is a canvas for your wildest dreams, so let your inner child loose and have some fun. Remember, every image, every word on that board is a piece of your future self, waiting to be born. So treat it with the tenderness you deserve. Think of it like a love letter to your future, a gentle promise whispered on paper. Handle your dreams like precious gems. Now, feast your eyes on abundance. Take a step back and admire your work. Let the first board remind you of your incredible journey, a testament to your strength and worth. It's a delicious appetizer for the main course, your future abundance board. Gaze at it often. Let it be a daily dose of inspiration, a map to your dream job, that perfect home, that life overflowing with joy. Find an affirmation that resonates with your soul, a mantra that fuels your vision. Something like, "This is my life, and I embrace it with open arms." Let it roll off your tongue like a sweet melody, let it sink into your bones, and believe it with every fiber of your being. Doubt? Just a passing cloud. Beautiful souls. Stay focused on your sunshine, on the magic brewing within you, and watch your vision board blossom into reality. Remember, this isn't just a board, it's a portal to your dreams. Treat it with love, feed it with joy, and watch the universe dance to your rhythm. Your vision boards, your maps to abundance, are complete. Remember, they're not just cardboard and glue, they're living reflections of your desires, whispering promises of the life you're meant to live. Gaze at them often. Let them be your guiding light, your daily dose of motivation. And as you watch your dreams take flight, remember, you are the captain of your own destiny. You have the power to manifest, to attract, to paint your world in vibrant hues of abundance. As for me, I can't wait to hear about your vision board adventures. Did you find some unexpected treasures in your past achievements? What's the wildest dream adorning your future board? Share your stories in the comments below. Let's celebrate each other's abundance. And if you found this journey helpful, give love by hitting the like button and subscribe to Better World Zone. Until next time, beautiful souls, keep manifesting with joy, keep dancing to your own rhythm, and remember, abundance is your birthright. Shine on.